Hi, this is Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through professional training, education, and resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to print in PDF using Revit. One of the challenges that stump Revit students is printing. Unfortunately, printing in Revit directly to a plotter is nearly impossible. In order to overcome the printing challenge, I recommend printing to PDF rather than directly to a printer or plotter. If you don't use Revit often or just getting started, this quick video will teach you how to print to PDF in Revit. I'm going to start by opening my Revit file. This is a small house I use to demonstrate different functions to Revit students. Nothing fancy, but it does the job. Within my Revit file, I have created sheets that include my floor plan. Remember, when we create a new sheet, we want to select the size of the sheet. In commercial design, we often use Arc E1, 30 by 42, which is what I used here. One thing students don't realize is the importance of printing to scale, and I like to remind them that scale is imperative when printing. I have my sheet all set up here, and now I want to print to the PDF. I'm going to go to File and Print. Here I have a pop-up box. Under my printer, I'm going to say Bluebeam PDF. That's the program I use for my PDFs. You might see Adobe PDF or there's another one called Microsoft Print to PDF, different options. I use Bluebeam. It's what most architect and interior designers use. Under File, you have two different options. You have the Combine Multiple Selected Views, or you have something called Create Separate Files. I always like to combine my files and views. Under your print range, you have a current window, a visible portion of current window, or select view options. I like to select the views or sheets that I'm going to actually print rather than printing just the window. I find this feature to be very helpful. It also keeps me from printing too many sheets. So if I select on Select, I find this list here, View Sheet Set List. And you'll notice that this list actually matches what's in your project browser. So here all I have to do is click Sheet A101 House Floor Plan. Now, if I was working in a really large project and there were tons of different views, I might start with Check None and then go back and check the sheet that I want. That way, if I had previously printed or someone else had, I'm not accidentally printing what they wanted printed. I'm going to say OK. Then I want to do one more thing. I want to make sure my settings are correct. So I'm going to go into my settings, Setup. I'll get another pop-up box. Here I have the printer Bluebeam PDF. I want to make sure my paper size is correct. In this case, it's E1. And then I have paper placement. I like center. Some people like off center. And then rather than fit to page, I always select zoom and make sure the zoom is set at 100%. This ensures that I am printing to scale. In my orientation, I have landscape. Then I have hidden line views as well as appearance, and I make sure those are vector processing and the quality is high and there's a grayscale. Once I've selected all these, and I can review these options if there's anything that I want different, I can say OK, and then I select OK again. Once I hit OK, I now have a Save As box. Here I can go ahead and name my file, select where I want to save it, and hit Save. On my computer, it'll automatically open up, and here we are. I have a PDF in the correct scale, perfect for sending to a printer or plotter. GAI offers several training options to help interior designers learn Revit. Our training programs are designed for all types of learning styles. If you are interested in learning Revit, we can help. GAI offers live team training programs over 3 to 5 days, individual refreshers or courses customized to your specific need, and digital courses that enable you to work through at your own pace. To learn more about the different training options from GAI, or just want to check out more educational tutorials, visit us at www.gainteriorsolutions.com/software training.